Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: a Microsoft account with a Power Apps license and a ready data table. Next, connect a clean data source like an Excel table, SharePoint list, or Dataverse table so you avoid schema surprises. Once done, open Power Apps Studio and create a new Canvas app, pick phone or tablet layout based on target users. Then add your primary data connection from the left pane. Make sure to name your app and save early to prevent lost work. You now build the app's core, design screens, and add controls that map to your data fields. Use a home screen with galleries, a details screen for record view, and an edit screen for forms. Reuse components for consistent UI. Then bind controls to fields and write formulas to handle validation, visibility, and filtering. Treat formulas like mini functions. Once controls work, set collections and variables to cache lists and manage offline edits. This speeds performance and simplifies later formulas. You finish by thoroughly testing every path. Create, update, and delete records while switching users to check permissions. Once tests pass, optimize for delegation limits, replace non-delegible functions, and reduce large queries. Enable caching to improve speed. Then publish your app and share it using appropriate security roles and environment settings. If things go wrong, for example data not saving, check connectors, delegation warnings, and error messages in the monitor, usually reconnecting the data source or...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.